curried mustard chayote bell pepper stew, or curried mustard Mirliton bell pepper stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the Chayote recipes and one of the most different of the Mirliton recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bell pepper recipes and one of the most different of the stew recipes. Today we're going to make curried mustard chayote bell pepper stew. Ingredients are 1 chayote peeled and cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 green chilies, 1 onion cut into pieces, and 1 red bell pepper or capsicum cut into pieces, and 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic. Put in the chayote pieces into the bowl. Put in the bell pepper pieces too into the bowl. Now put in a spoon of mustard paste. Mix the chayote and the bell pepper with the mustard paste and thoroughly marinate in the marinade. Keep this for around 20 minutes. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the onion pieces. Salt the onion pieces thoroughly with the garlic, with the ginger. Put in the ginger pieces, salt, put in the garlic pieces, salt, thoroughly. Put in salt. pieces with onion, garlic, ginger, thoroughly sauteing. All the taste, mix, put in 1 spoon of mixture spices, thoroughly mix, thoroughly saute and mix the salt and the mixture spices, the rest of the mixture. Now putting the chayote pieces and the bell pepper pieces that we marinated in the mustard paste. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix. Now put in 20 to 25 ml of water. Mix. Mix the bell pepper and the chayote with the rest of the mixture. Until it's nicely incorporated. Now put in the green chilies, mix. Now pour in 200 to 250 ml of water, mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Mustard, chayote, bell pepper stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final curried mustard chayote bell pepper stew or curried mustard Mirliton bell pepper stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Chayote recipes and one of the most different of the bell pepper recipes and one of the most tastiest of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mustard recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.